Hey guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to play with Canva templates. You can play with any template with a Canva by either editing, add your own, or remove. So let's dive in. We'll open our Canva, type Canva here, open your Canva. Alright, so this is the template. Just click on the template here. Then you can choose any template. Okay, so let's choose any template here and we can play with any template here. Alright, for example, you can click on this template now and you can change anything easily on it. Okay guys, this is our template. So if you want, you can just click on it. When you click on it, you can change anything on the template. You can change this one now. You can just click on replace. If I click on replace now, I can replace that guy with anything from my files. So you can click on photo. So now click on your recent. When you click on your recent, you can change anything. Just to show you that you can change anything. I'm going to click on this now. Then you can see it has already changed. You can click on the text, just click on edit. When you click on edit, you can edit the text or anything. You can edit the text. You can see it is typing. So it is very easy. Just click on the template, then you can work on the template very easily. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button and share. Thank you for watching.